chauffeuring this man around. He's feeding cows. To tell you what's the truth, I don't know what I'd do without these young men. Just thought we'd bring you along, let you see the cattle, and I tell you, we appreciate y'all more than you know. I pulled here on the edge of the field. I'm not able to walk, and I've got it zoomed in just as much as I can, y'all. I'm sorry. I hope you can see. I hope you can see better than I can. I can't see a thing. But he should be coming with a tractor. Them cows is over on the hill. Yeah, there he goes. Them girls is ready for it. We'll be up close in the next pasture. We'll see if we can get little Lynn to go with us and help him push hay off. I appreciate your prayers, all the ones that commented on my last video. It means a lot to me. And got a lot of bone and muscle issues with this bone disease, and bones are getting brittle and they're fracturing, and the doctor said there's nothing we can do to try to keep me comfortable. And I hate that term, but I'm gonna keep riding and watching these boys work. Excuse me, just as long as I can. And cheering them on. Because according to the doctors, there'll be a day when I ain't gonna be able to get out of the bed at all. It's hard now, but we are trusting the good Lord to help us, and He will. We just have to trust. We just have to trust. And you know, we need to thank Him. Thank Him for these trials. There's a purpose in them. You know, Job, he went through everything. He lost it all, but he stayed faithful. And God blessed him. God blessed him with more after that trial than he had to begin with after he lost it all. And I'm believing for God to bless, if not in my lifetime, but bless these boys and Lynn for carrying it on. And even though I'm not able, I can still be their biggest cheerleader, and that's what I want to be. Well, we're going to go down here, and when he gets back down to the chicken house, we're going to load some hay. Thank y'all again so much for watching. Down here on the highway, headed to the chicken house. Them cows, they surrounded that row. That one old red heifer on the outside out there, she's always thinking we're trying to catch her. She's got really good reason to, because we need to. Here he comes. These old chicken houses is a good place to store hay. We got some in here besides what we got outside. But if this old chicken house could talk, no telling what it'd tell. Look at all them old hanging feeders. This house here never had anything automated in it. You had to hand feed in this house. And 250-foot house, and you had to hand feed the birds. It did have the old brooders in it. There's one still hanging right there for the heat when they were biddies. But yeah, if it could talk. Get one more. Well, y'all, there's Miss Lynn. Her and old Gavin's gonna try to push this little old squatted down roll off. I told him he's gonna have to bear down. I ain't worried about these two getting fussing like I do with Gavin and Carson. Yeah, that old rotted bale, it just fell all to pieces. I need to try to pull the truck up, or what are you gonna try to do?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, will you pull it up? I'm sorry. That's an old roll, but they'll eat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, they all up here. I gotta go pull up. They'll unroll this up. Look at these flop-eared girls. I hope you can see the sun this morning. It's something. The weather is pulling a little of the flesh off of these, but that's to be expected this time of the year. Hello, Ethel girl. There's my Lou. There's my Lou. I like them boogers there. I like these old flop-eared cows. mess around and fall. Well, you can tell they kind of rough when they fall apart when you take the net off.
Devin, I'm not quite got it all.
Got her loving on that cat. You mess around, make Carson jealous.
Little secret. I almost could touch the red one.
Which one? That over yonder? Look at her draining. Secret? Don't let me get in your way, honey. You booger booger you. You booger booger you.
I wish I could touch that on.
Look at old Lou looking at that land. This one right here may come off pieces, y'all.
Get something in your face.
That's kind of what I figured out. Well, y'all, thank you for watching. Look at Lou. She's got her straw hat on out there. That's what Lynn said. But we appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing and leaving us a comment. Look at that girl out there out on her head. Now, ain't she something? She's posing all right. You can't do nothing with little Lou. Y'all pray you have a good weekend. Until next time, thank you for watching.